Hello, hello. Happy Fun Hat Friday. It is Friday, September 25th. Woohoo, we made it. Here's what we're going to do today. We're going to classwork. You guys are going to need your books open to page 29 down here in the corner. Up here on top, let me zoom in. Up here on top is your list of the 5 features of civilization. Cities that are centers of trade, specialized jobs for different people, organized forms of government and religion, a system of record keeping, and advanced tools. So let's review real quick. We have talked about so many early peoples and different tribes. And all these people started out very primitive and didn't have the tools that we have today. So over time they have evolved and they have learned and they have created tools and technology to help them survive from then, even like all the way up until now to where we are. We still are creating tools and technology that helps us all survive. So this has been going on since the beginning of time. So these little teeny villages who learned to make tools and learned to make technology, they started forming these 5 things, and they grew into these huge civilizations that lasted for years and years. So your assignment for today, we're carrying on with yesterday's Thursday project because this is due Monday. You are going to copy this figure, this diagram, on a piece of paper. If you have a printer at home, by all means print it out. I'm okay with that. But you need to draw this, if you don't have a printer, on your notebook that you're taking notes in, or whatever paper you have. This doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to have 5 tabs on it, and it has to say civilization in the middle. Because your drawing, you are going to label it with each of the 5 features of civilization: advanced tools, form of government, written records, specialized jobs, and cities that are centers of trade. Then you are going to draw me some really awesome pictures that are way better than mine for what that looks like to you. Here's my written records. Here's my specialized jobs. So your drawing needs to look like this. You need to label the 5 features of civilization. Draw a picture of what that looks like to you. Then in the middle where it says civilization, you are going to define it. Tell me what civilization means. You can write your own definition so that it makes sense to you, or you can Google it, or you can look in the book. Okay? So this is what you will be working on today. And again, these are listed at the top of page 29 here in your book. Okay? We're also watching CNN 10 just to keep up with current events. There is a lot going on in our world that you guys need to be aware of. Okay? So, I will list also, if you finish the project and you've watched CNN 10, I will list the order of what you need to do next here in Friday's CNN. Nope, it won't be in Friday's CNN 10 tab. It will be in the Watch Me First tab, the one that you click to watch this video, because I haven't put it in here yet. So, if you have any questions, email me, ask me during class, private comment on your assignment, but do not just sit there and stop working because you do not understand something. I give you guys plenty of time to complete these assignments and ask questions, so make sure you're doing that so you can get your grades up, okay? Toodles!